Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change your name on Gmail. Updating your name in Gmail is a simple process. Whether you got married, change your identity, or just want to use a different name, here's how you can do it. Open your Gmail inbox and look for the gear icon in the upper right corner. Now click on it to access the settings. So from the settings menu, choose the See All Settings option and please go to Account and Import. Accounts and Import. So please look for Send Email As, and then you can change it here, add another email address, and then you can enter your name and then email address and click on Next Step. After that, after making the desired changes, click on Save Changes. So after you click Save Changes, your name will now be displayed on outgoing emails. And that's it. You've just learned how to easily change your name on Gmail. This simple trick can help you keep your email identity up to date. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to change name on Gmail. Keep your email profile accurate and reflective of who you are. See you on my next video.